Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing another subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see Glossybox June 2021, just keep on watching. Lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're subscribed already, thank you for tuning in again. So yes, lovelies, let's open this glossy box. This is my second unboxing for today, lovelies. I have few unboxing today. I was meant to do it yesterday, but it was my husband's birthday, so I will unbox today. So this is the Glossybox for this month, and if you're new to Glossybox, this is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25. But if you want to use my code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, you will receive this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. And as always, lovelies, all the info will be in the description box below. So yes, this is the monthly box. This is their usual pink box, and let's open it. So inside we have the ribbon. Let's open it. And then we have the leaflet or the booklet, and you can win also if you receive golden ticket inside. You can win a whole new summer wardrobe thanks to I Saw It First. And this month theme is the Dreaming of Paradise. So here we go. And lovelies, if you want to know also the sneak peek for next month, it's from KNDRs. I hope I pronounce it properly. And it says, if you love discovering the latest hair, skin, and makeup finds, you're sure to love our July beauty treasures. Edit. Inside this treasure trove of beauty gems, you will discover KNDR's Kind Bronze worth £14. This gorgeous bronzing powder is exactly what you're searching for to create a perfect sun-kissed glow. I'm sorry if I blind you. So yes, this is the next month sneak peek, and it says here also in the booklet, it says, hey glossies, summer requires beauty products that can effortlessly take you from pool to party. So we've made sure you are June dreaming of paradise. Glossybox features just that. Inside this month's box, you will discover all you could need to look and feel gorgeous whatever the sunny days have you doing. Love, Emily, Beauty Editor. So yes, let's see what's inside. So we have the pink tissue paper, and it's quite heavy this month too. And let's see inside. It's full of products inside. So let's start with the spoiler, the sneak peek. And this is the Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Scrub Fix. I'm so excited to try this one, lovelies. This is a full size. It has 75 ml, and this one is rated for £12.95. Just this product itself, it costs more than the box, because the box, it costs only £10. And it says here on the booklet, energizing and illuminating, this exfoliating scrub is infused with vitamin C, coffee, seed extract, and coconut oil to effectively cleanse, nourish, and renew your skin. These key ingredients also aid in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and softening your complexion. Vitamin C I really need at the moment, so can't wait to try this. Really can't wait. And then the next one we have here that I'm so excited to smell, and this is from Mitchell and Peach English Growers English Leaf Body Oil. It has 50 ml. It says blended with almond oil and vitamin E. This body oil leaves skin soft and scented. Let's smell it. So excited to smell this one. Oh, smells gorgeous. Love this. Smells really gorgeous. Smells like basil, like those. Smell like that, and smells like, you know, when you just cut the grass, it smells like that, and I love that smell. It smells like basil, peppermint. Oh, it smells so gorgeous. I love the smell. And this one is a full size, and it's retail for 23 pounds. I know, yes, I know Mitchell and Peach is quite expensive brand. And it says here, containing almond oil and vitamin E, this nourishing body oil leaves skin feeling soft and scented. Reminiscent of freshly cut meadow grass. And this oil is fragrance with English leaf, a blend of soft citruses, coriander leaves, basil, mint, and floral oils from the Mitchell estate. Smells gorgeous. I really love the smell. And the next one we have here, and this is from the Beauty Crop, Sherry, and it's a pH changing hydrating lip oil. So excited to try this one. It has 2.5 ml. I know this is a full size. Yes, it is. So it looks like this. Yes, it's like a lip gloss, but once you apply it on your lips, it will change color. It depends on your pH, depends of everything. So can't wait to try this one. And yeah, it's full size, and it's retail for 13 pounds. And it says, for gorgeously kissable lips, look no farther. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment will gloriously enhance your pout natural color whilst making your lips super smooth. Enriched with a lip-loving cherry oil blend, your lips are sure to be kept unbelievably soft and nourished day to night. So yes, can't wait to try this one. I really heard good reviews about this product. I have in the shade or scent Sacro Blue. Can't wait to try it. The next one we have here, and this is from Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, even for sensitive skin, removes makeup, cleanse, soothe, no rinsing. It has 125 ml. I know this is a full size. Yes, it's kind of full size because we have the big bottle one also. I know that one is available too. So let's say this is a travel size, and I tried this one before. Yes, it does his job. It took all the makeup, even the waterproof one. It's very sensitive on your eyes, so if you have sensitive eyes, it won't irritate your eyes. And to be honest, lovelies, I know it says no rinsing. I always rinse whatever micellar water I use. I always rinse. I always use a cleanser one too after I take off my makeup with this one. So yes, this is a good product, and it's retail for £1.99, and it says an effective yet gentle way of removing makeup and cleansing skin in one easy step. This cleanser lifts makeup and dirt from the skin to leave it free of impurities and residue, revealing your skin natural glow. Perfect for even the most sensitive of skin. This product has a soothing and fragrance-free formula that suits all skin type. I know my mom used this one too because she has quite sensitive skin too. So yes, this is really a good product, and it's perfect size to bring with you everywhere. And then the last product we have now, we have another product here, but a treat one. But we have from Batiste Dry Shampoo Blush Flirty Flora. It has 50 ml. I know this is just a travel size, and it's rated for £1.60 the full size, which is 200 ml. It's rated for £2.99, and it says, a burst from this kind of magic removes oil effectively to leave your tresses feeling fabulous, with an aroma of romantic rose notes and flirty feminine scents of lily, peony, and freesia. This blush dry shampoo will give your hair a new lease of life between washes. Yes, lovelies, I tried Batiste before. They smell gorgeous. They smell gorgeous on your hair, but to be honest, lovely, I don't really like the finish on my hair because it leaves the white cast on my hair, so I'm not really fan of the Batiste one. So yes, it smells gorgeous, but yeah, I'm not fan of Batiste dry shampoo. And the little treat we have, lovelies, it's from Taylor of Harrogate. These are coffee bags. Try me. Love coffee in the morning. I always drink coffee, but decaffeinated one. I have anxiety, lovelies. I always drink decaffeinated one if possible. And it says, work just like a tea bag but for ground coffee. Brew in 2 minutes, give a really good squeeze for a lot of flavor. So we have 2 coffee bag inside, not 1 but 2 coffee bag. So we have the rich Italian and hot lava lava. So yes, nice treat. So yes, lovely, that's all for my unboxing for this month. And let's do a recap. We have the micellar water from Garnier Skin Active. This is really a good product. I know loads of people are using this product and they love it. And this is a perfect size to travel, to bring with you everywhere too. So glad that I've got in here. But I know my mom will get that one because she loves that product too. And then the other product that I'm not really fan, to be honest, and this is the Batiste Dry Shampoo Blush Flirty Floral. Yes, they smell nice, and this is a perfect size to bring with you everywhere, put in your handbag. But yes, I don't really like the finish on my hair because it leaves white cast. So yes, as I give it to someone, this one, or I'll put in the future giveaway. And the other product that I'm so looking forward to try, and this is from Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Scrub Fix. You know that I really do like this brand. I tried a few of their products, the Dragon's Blood, and I really love them. So yeah, can't wait to try it. And this one too, Lovelies, it smells gorgeous. I love the smell. Can't wait to put it on your body. I usually use a body oil, Lovelies. Before I go in my shower, I just apply it all over my body and then take a shower. So yeah, can't wait to try this one. And yeah, this is from Mitchell and Peach, the English Growers Body Oil, English Leaf Body Oil. Yeah, it smells gorgeous. Can't wait to try it. And then the last one we have the Beauty Crop, the Wui Sherry. Can't wait to try it. It's a lip oil that it change color depending on your pH, depending of maybe the weather, I don't know, but we will see and let's see. And then we have that treat, which is the coffee box, which is, I love coffee, so yeah, I will try it. So yes, lovelies, that's all for my glossy box. As always, lovelies, I did my lineup of this box, and as I said, these products are really perfect when you go summer. We're going to camping soon, which is I'm so excited, and definitely some of the products I will bring with me. And I really do like the products that we received this month, to be honest, maybe except for the dry shampoo one, but for the rest I really love it. This one and the vitamin C and the lip oil one, this box is really worth it in my opinion. So that's all, lovelies, for me. What do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to this month box? If yes, lovelies, I have my code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you receive this box for only £10, which is not bad at all. And for all the info will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.